Hello students, today we will start a new chapter that is triangles and its properties. Okay, so basically what is triangle? A triangle is a simple closed curve made up of three line segments. Triangle क्या होता है आपका? सिंपल क्लोज्ड कर्व होता है जिसमें थ्री लाइन सेगमेंट्स होती है. कितनी सेगमेंट्स होती है? थ्री लाइन सेगमेंट्स. ओके, सो अ ट्राइंगल हैज थ्री वर्टिसेस, दैट इज A, B and C. These are three vertices, three angles, angle A, angle B, angle C, and three sides, AB, BC, and AC. Okay, now according to sides, the triangle are divided into three types. Okay, types of triangle according to its sides. Now, according to its sides, triangle are of three types. So, according to side, types of triangles are: first is scalene triangle, second is isosceles triangle, and that is equilateral triangle. First we talk about scalene triangle. What is the scalene triangle? A scalene triangle is a triangle in which all sides are different. All sides are different, that categorized as scalene triangle. Second is isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. In isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. Next, third is equilateral triangle. An equilateral triangle is a triangle in which all three sides are equal. Okay, scalene triangle, all three sides are different. Isosceles, two sides are equal. Equilateral triangle, all the three sides are equal. Next we talk types of triangle on the basis of angles. First we talk about acute angle. In acute angle, all have acute angles. All are acute angles. All are acute angles, that is less than 90 degree. Second is obtuse angle. In obtuse angle, one angle is more than 90 degree. In the obtuse angle. Third is right angle triangle. In the right angle triangle, one angle is how much? 90 degree. How much? 90 degree. So we can conclude that triangle has three sides, three vertices, and three angles. The types of triangle on the basis of sides, there are three. First is scalene. In scalene, all sides are different. Second is equilateral. In equilateral, all sides are equal. And in isosceles, two sides are equal. Clear? Now, according to angles, there are three types of angles. First is acute angle, second is obtuse angle, third is right angle triangle. So, first we talk about acute. In acute, all the angles are less than 90 degree. ठीक है? Second हम बात करेंगे obtuse angle की. In obtuse angle, one angle is more than 90 degree. Okay? And third is right angle triangle. And right angle triangle, one angle is 90 degree. Clear? So next we talk about median of a triangle. Okay, what is median of a triangle? Median is the line segment which made by joining any vertex of a triangle with the midpoint of opposite segment. It means median is the line segment. Median वो line segment होता है जो बंदा किसी भी vertex से उसकी opposite side की line होती है और it divides the sides into two equal parts. That is, अगर एक ट्राइंगल की बात करें तो एक ट्राइंगल के थ्री मीडियन हो सकते हैं, जैसे AE, CF एंड BD. तो थ्री वर्टेक्स से थ्री अपोजिट रेज आ सकती है और वो अपोजिट रेज उन सबको आपस में डिवाइड कर सकते हैं। जैसे यहाँ पे हम देखें तो डी इक्वल्स टू ईसी हो गया, बी एफ इक्वल्स टू ए एफ हो गया एंड सी डी इक्वल्स टू ए डी हो गया। ठीक है, द पॉइंट वेयर ऑल द मीडियंस इंटरसेक्ट दैट पॉइंट इज कॉल्ड सेंट्रॉइड। उस पॉइंट को क्या कहते हैं हम? सेंट्रॉइड कहते हैं। नेक्स्ट वी टॉक अबाउट altitude of a triangle. What is altitude of a triangle? It is a line segment. ये line segment होता है made by joining vertex. Made by joining vertex. These are the vertex and perpendicular to the opposite side. Perpendicular to the opposite side. So opposite side you can see this. This is the vertex. This is the opposite side. This is the vertex. This is the opposite side. This is the vertex. This is the opposite side. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे ये इसका परपेंडिकुलर हो गया, दैट इज AD is perpendicular to BC. If you talk about this, BE is perpendicular to AC, और हम कह सकते हैं CF is perpendicular to AB. Okay, the middle point where all the line segments intersect, that point is called orthocenter. That point is called orthocenter. Clear? So next we talk about exterior angle property. Okay. So what is exterior angle property? That exterior angle of a triangle will always be equal to the sum of two opposite interior angles of the triangle. It means, as you can see, these are two interior angles, A, B. These are the two interior angles, and opposite angle, that is this. This C is opposite to A and B. So what is exterior angle property? Exterior angle of a triangle, that is exterior of a triangle, is always equal to the sum of two interior opposite angles, that is two interior opposite angles, that is A plus B. Now you can see one question which is based on this. This angle is 64 degree. You have to find this one. And okay, this is 64 degree angle A. Angle B is 45 degree. Now you have to find angle C. You have to find angle C. Now, how you can solve this with the help of this property? As you know, angle C equals to angle A plus angle B due to exterior angle property. So, angle C equals to 64 plus 45. That is angle C equals to 459, 604, 10. It is 109 degree. Clear? So the next is angle sum property. What is the angle sum property? The sum of all the interior angles. The sum of all the interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree. How much? 180 degree. Suppose this is a triangle. Angle A, angle B, angle C. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to how much? 180 degree. Now we do one numerical based on this. Suppose this is a triangle. Okay, this is 60 degree, this is 60 degree. Now we have to find angle X. Clear? This is A, this is B, and this is C. Okay, you know sum of a triangle of interior angle is 180 degree. So you can write angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to 180. 60 degree plus 60 degree plus C equals to 180. This is 120 plus angle C equals to 180. So angle C equals to 180 minus 120, that gives you 60 degree. How much? 60 degree. Clear? Next, this question. In this question, you have to find x and y. Okay. Now So can you say that angle x equals to 50 plus 60 degree? Or you can say that angle x equals to angle A plus B. Yes, you can say by the exterior angle property the sum of the interior angle is always opposite to the exterior angle. Or you can say that the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of interior opposite angles. That is exterior angle property. तो एंगल एक्स ए की वैल्यू कितनी दे रही है आपको 50, बी की वैल्यू कितनी 60, एक्स की वैल्यू कितनी दे रही है आपके पास 110. कितना आ गया 110. ठीक है बेटा 110 आ गया. अब आपको वाई की वैल्यू निकालनी है. अब आप देख सकते हैं इट इज फॉर्म्स अ ट्राइंगल. ओके, दिस फॉर्म्स अ ट्राइंगल. सो द सम ऑफ द ट्राइंगल इज 180 डिग्री. सम ऑफ द ट्राइंगल इज 180 डिग्री. Triangle A plus angle B plus this is C equals to 180 degree. 50 plus 60 plus angle C equals to 180 degree. 50 plus 60 कितना हो गया 110 plus angle C equals to 180 degree. So angle C equals to 180 minus 110 that gives you 70 degree. तो कितना हो गया आपके पास ये वाला 70 degree. Y की वैल्यू कितनी आ गई 70 degree. Next you can see that sum of the length of two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. Means जो आपके ट्रायंगल की 3 साइड्स होती हैं उसमें सम करेंगे अगर 2 साइड्स का अपन तो वो हमेशा ग्रेटर देन आनी चाहिए उसके थर्ड साइड से. इट मीन्स AB plus BC is greater than AC. Or you can say that AB plus AC is greater than BC. Third is AC plus BC is greater than AB. Clear? अब चेक करते हैं एक एग्जांपल लेके कि किसी भी 3 साइड से ट्रायंगल बन सकता है या नहीं बन सकता. बट हमें प्रॉपर्टी याद होनी चाहिए कि कोई भी 2 साइड्स को हम ऐड करेंगे तो वो साइड का एडिशन हमेशा ग्रेटर आना चाहिए. कौन सी साइड से? उसकी लेफ्ट मतलब उसकी थर्ड साइड से. तो बात करते हैं हमारे पास ये 3 साइड से रहती है 2 सेंटीमीटर 5 सेंटीमीटर एंड 6 सेंटीमीटर. ठीक है, पहले इन दोनों को चेक करते हैं. 2 plus 5 कितना होता है 7. ठीक है, क्या 7 6 से बड़ा है क्या? यस. अब बात करते हैं इन दोनों की. 5 plus 6 कितना होता है 11. कितना होता है 11. तो 11 2 से बड़ा है क्या? जी हाँ, तो ओके. थर्ड बात करेंगे इन दोनों की. 2 plus 6 कितना होता है 8. क्या 8 5 से बड़ा है क्या? तो हम कहेंगे यस 8 5 से बड़ा है. तो ये तीनों पॉसिबल हो गई कंडीशन. तो हम कह सकते हैं ट्राइंगल इज पॉसिबल. ट्राइंगल क्या है यहाँ पे? पॉसिबल है. क्लियर? सो नेक्स्ट वी टॉक अबाउट द पाइथागोरस थ्योरम. ओके, सो व्हाट इज पाइथागोरस थ्योरम? इन अ राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Okay, it is a right angle triangle that is 90 degree, that is A B C. Okay, so this is the base, that is BC. This is AB, this is perpendicular, and this is the longest side, that is hypotenuse. So the formula is h square is equal to p square plus b square. Now we will do this question. Here you have to find this AC. Okay, here AC equals to, you have to find AB equals to 4 centimeter, AB equals to 4 centimeter and BC equals to 3 centimeter and the angle B is 90 degree. Okay, in this question you can see that it is a right angle triangle, so we can apply the Pythagoras theorem. Here you can see that is h square is equal to p square plus b square. AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. Now you know AB equals to 4, that is 4 का square. BC that is 3 का square. 4 का square is 16, 3 का square 9. That is AC square is equal to 16 plus 9 25. When you remove this square, it is root 25 और square root of 25 कितना होता है 5. So AC is 5. Thank you.